In this video, I'll be showing you how you can easily fix green lines on your iPhone. If we suddenly, a bunch of green lines have appeared on in the screen of your iPhone. Now, basically, there are two cases. In the first case, if it's a software issue, all you will have to do is to restart or force restart on your iPhone. What you'll have to do is to press volume up, volume down, and then press and hold power button, and basically it will force restart your iPhone, and the issue will be solved if it is a software issue. Second thing you can do is to head over to the settings and simply update your iPhone, check if it's updated to the latest iOS version. And the last thing that you can do if it's a hardware issue is that you can you'll have to get it repaired. So you have to contact you will have to go to the Apple website, Apple support, and then book an appointment and go to the Apple store and get it fixed. So if this video helped you out, hit that subscribe button below. It really supports the channel. Like the video and comment down below if you got stuck anywhere. I'll definitely help you out.